If you have a dysfunctional behavior, maybe you have a phobia, or maybe you want to quit smoking, or maybe you're anxious, you can use the power of hypnotherapy to easily reprogram your unconscious mind so that suddenly you don't want to smoke, suddenly you don't feel anxious. You can just turn off the fear and turn on the calm and peace. I'm Paul McKenna. I'm a hypnotherapist. I'm also a behavioral scientist and an author of popular psychology books. Together with Mindvalley, I have created the #1 hypnotherapy training in the world. In just 4 months, with a few hours practice each week, you'll learn to do the things that I do. You'll be able to help people quit smoking, lose weight, overcome phobias, sleep better, get over anxiety, all sorts of things like that. You get certificated by me. You have a Mindvalley Paul McKenna certified hypnotherapy certificate that you can put on your wall as well. Becoming a hypnotherapist is a great idea. Right now, the world has never needed hypnotherapists more, with all the anxiety and stress and all the psychological problems that people need to overcome that can easily be cured with hypnotherapy. What I've developed here over the last 35 years is a combination of the latest and tried and tested hypnotherapy techniques. In just 4 months, you'll suddenly be able to do the things that people go to see a hypnotherapist for: to quit smoking, to lose weight, to sleep better, to get over anxiety and fear, to get over phobias, to become more confident, more resilient, more optimistic, and achieve your true potential. So if you're thinking, I'd like a new career, I'd like to train pretty fast in just 4 months, make a good living from it, and help people, then becoming a certified Mindvalley hypnotherapist is for you. Not only will you make a great living, but also you'll have the joy and satisfaction of helping people change their lives for the better. When someone comes to you with a problem and you're able to help them, it feels good. So I'd like to invite you to join me for a free 90-minute webinar where I will demonstrate and teach you some of the techniques that you'll learn as a hypnotherapist. You'll get breakthroughs with challenges and problems that you couldn't necessarily overcome before. You'll learn to use the power of your mind, the power of hypnosis, the power of hypnotic suggestion.